we have to write a code. Okay. So now next is how to create PostgreSQL RDS using Terraform and connect using PgAdmin. Here, this value is here. Now we are going to create only demo RDS instance, and if you there are already simple Terraform code is there on Terraform official site. So simply what we have to do, I have shared these two links. If we go Terraform official site, manage AWS RDS instance, these are the link. And here they have given for this page is for to set up Postgres RDS instance using Terraform code. And here they have given these are the prerequisite. They have given some introduction here. AWS RDS provides hosted relational databases which are easy to operate and maintain the self-managed implementation. Terraform can provision, scale, and modify RDS, enabling you to manage RDS instance and cluster lifecycle programmatically, safely, and declaratively. So in this instance, we will use Terraform to provision an RDS instance, subnet group, parameter group, and modify the RDS instance configuration and provision and a replica instance. So before that, here are prerequisite. What prerequisite we need? We have to install Terraform. In the last session already, we have set up Terraform on Windows, and we have installed a plugin in Visual Studio Code. So Terraform 0.14 plus install locally. Then AWS account already we have, and configure Terraform AWS account with configure or Terraform. Then we need a PSQL. So here is official sample repository given by the Terraform, and here is the repository. If we click on simple repository, so this is the repository by HashiCorp. HashiCorp is a company which has Terraform is a product. Terraform is their product. So here is a sample GitHub repository. In this repository, they have these codes like main.tf, output variable, and version. And this Terraform is spin up by VPC. Using VPC spin up by Terraform models. In the next session, we are going to cover what is the Terraform models. But for now, keep in this mind. So here, they have given instruction, clone the sample repository. Here is a command. Then go to this repository. Then already I have created one directory or folder PostgreSQL RDS using Terraform, and I have cloned here from Visual Studio Code. So here is my path. This learn Terraform RDS. I have cloned here. Then let's go through Terraform code. So here first file is main.tf. So here they have given the instruction, open the main.tf file in your editor to review the sample configuration. Here in this code, this is a simple or little bit old code. They have given the old version. In this Terraform code, we have changed latest PostgreSQL version and Terraform engine and Postgres engine type also that I will show. So in this main.tf, they have called module VPC, and this is the official site Terraform, and they have the Terraform maintains various module, ready-made module to spin up resources on cloud provider. So now in this source in the Terraform Terraform VPC model, in the VPC section, they have AWS, they have this model VPC model with the version number 277.0. they have given this instruction, this VPC. It will create an VPC by name education. This is CRDR block. Then availability zone. It's calling availability zone. Then they have given public subnet, 3 public subnet. Then DNS host name true, DNS support true. Already we have covered in these parameters in a VPC section. Then in this same also they have mentioned subnet group, AWS subnet group. All this calling from VPC module. They have given name education, name is education, and then it's calling from model VPC public subnet. It is all this model is calling from this site. Then we have the database instance, this code, a resource. If you want to create RDS in AWS, the resource type we have to add in our Terraform code is AWS_DB instance. This is a resource type. Then this name is given education, identifier this one, instance class dbt3 micro, allocation storage 5, engine Postgres, engine version 13.1, username they are given, password given by in variable, then subnet, security group, parameter group. All these options we have selected while creating PostgreSQL on using AWS console. So same like these are the parameters. Here the explanation of all the parameters like a username, password, the credential for the root user. Publicly accessible means set to true. Publicly accessible set to true means you can access this RDS using publicly. Then skip panel snapshot set to true, disable taking panel backup when you destroy database. So like while deleting PostgreSQL, we have also not taken snapshot. So like for this is a parameter, skip panel snapshot. Then parameter group, like parameter here, parameter group, education, name, family, log rotation value, we have selected manually. So same like parameter. And then the input variable, this is the input variable in variable already we have seen. Input variable means while running the Terraform code, we have to give some input. So DB password, while creating PostgreSQL using management console, we have added Postgres this DB password manually in this Terraform code. This will ask while running while applying Terraform code, that we will see. So variable is DB password. This input variable type is string, sensitive is true. It will not show to output.tf. Then one more, there is the output.tf file. It shows the all our output like RDS port, host name, username. Then only this, if you want to set DB password using export command, and so this command will run only on Linux, not on Windows. Windows we have to use set command. Then just only Terraform run init, plan, and apply. So all these instruction we have to follow. Then we can connect using PSQL or PgAdmin. We can create database, list out database. So same like I have cloned this repository in this folder, and this folder got created. So what I have changed here, so this is simple, like this is the old code, what we have to change. So here they have given this DB name. Let me tell you. They are given this 13.1. This is not supported. We have to give latest version. So here, if you select here, what DB version PostgreSQL support, if you go here, click on create database and PostgreSQL here, these are all the versions 13.7. There is no 13.1. Okay, so means we can say this code is little old. this version is not supported now. We can give 13.3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like this one. So what I did in this code, I have changed. We can go to code. Here I have given provided AWS region, and here we have given access key and secret key. Okay, so in the real-time scenario, we should not give this one access key secret key. Either we can create a profile in Terraform, or we can call through from secret manager or anywhere. So for now, this is demo. We have to give provided AWS region. So this is calling from variable. Here, if we go here, variable is a region, and here default version is AWS East. Region is US East 2, the description AWS region. Then DB password, it will ask for input password, and sensitive is true. Then if you go here, main Terraform file, AWS, then VPC, it is calling VPC by module. So already there is a module. Then they have given this VPC name is education. Then CIDR block this one. Then availability zone. They have given availability zones names in this. There is a pre-built model. We will go in details in Terraform model. Then public subnets are the subnet. Then host name is true, like endpoint. DNS support is true. Then subnet group education name, they have given this one. Then same like they have added tag. Then they have created here security group RDS. Then this name is given for security group. They are calling module .vpc.vpc._ id from here. Then port number is 543T, ingress and egress. Okay, there are two different this is a Terraform. Like in our AWS code, there is a inbound and outbound rules. So same like in Terraform, we have to mention ingress and egress, inbound and outbound. 5432 all is open, public accessible tag we have given. Then DB parameter group education family Postgres, then log rotation. This is only for log. Then this is actual DB configuration identifier. This given like we have given on console. We had given this name like a demo RDS like this one. So same like name is here education. Instance class of T3 micro, storage is 5, engine is Postgres, and these I have changed parameter 13.7. Like here it will support here. Then username is edu. Then DB password it will ask. Then subnet group, security group, parameter group name. Publicly this is calling from here. Okay, DB parameter, security group, all this one. Security group, DB parameter, public accessible, skip panel, snapshot true. Okay. So only I have changed here version. Engine is Postgres. So let's see in Terraform code in official their code what they have given. Okay, engine is correct. The same like you have to do first. Let's save this code. Then type first command is Terraform init. The init got successfully. Let's clear the screen. Then next our command is Terraform plan. It will check all the syntax, and it will asking for a DB password. I am giving password. I see off. it will validate all our Terraform code. Okay, so all our code is correct. Now let's run Terraform apply. Let's type password. Okay, now our code is okay. Then do you want to perform this action? Then type yes. It is getting created. We have to wait for a few minutes. Let's wait. It is getting created. Model VPC is getting created. Then the parameter, then VPC route table, internet gateway, subnet, all these one using model, internet gateway. Let's wait for a few minutes. Now the RDS instance is getting created. And if we go to our region is, if we go here, US East, to go to our, the instance is getting created in US East 2. Okay, the education status is creating, and still it's in waiting. Okay. Its status is available. Okay, here apply is complete. RDS hostname is sensitive. All this information is sensitive. And, let's click on this instance. Here we got endpoint URL and port number. Then click on PgAdmin because this is a public. Okay, now we kept is a public. Here left side, click on servers, then click on right click, then click on server. Go to this endpoint, copy this, click on PgAdmin, then click on connection. Sorry. Okay, here name, just we have to give RDS. Then click on connection, type this endpoint URL. Default name is 5432. Maintain database Postgres. Username is edu. And password is SQL. Then click on save. Okay, now we have connected our RDS. We kept either public in this code. Publicly accessible through this parameter. Here we can see databases, Postgres. Here I think we can run query also. SQL. Okay, here we can see two properties, Postgres, statistics, SQL. Here we can select create a script. Create a script. don't have this one. Like we can here create a script and we can run here. Like one more option is there. I tried. List. Let's try. It will turn out not. Okay, we have same database. Okay, now here we, if you want to anything other than already it is showing on GUI, all databases, we don't need to run. If you want to run any query, so we have covered how to create RDS using Terraform and connect this RDS using PgAdmin.